In this Canva tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to download as a PowerPoint presentation or save a PowerPoint presentation from Canva. So I just grabbed a quick pitch deck sample here, and it's got about 11 different slides. I can see those pages or slides, if you will, down here at the bottom, or I can just scroll down through them, or I can pull up the pages look down here and just kind of go between all the different pages. Now, that part doesn't matter. I just want to show you how to get through your different slides or how to make more slides. But to actually save this down as a PowerPoint, we need to go to the share button, and then we need to go down here to more. And now inside of more, it's pretty quick and easy to just type in that shortcut or the shorthand PPT, and you can find Microsoft PowerPoint. It's also available in this download option. Where is that download option? No, the save category. You can see Microsoft PowerPoint right here. So if we click on that, we can actually decide which pages to save down. We can check mark them or just say all pages. And then we can save our download settings if we never want to mess with those pages again, or we just want to always save all pages, and we just download it. Now from there, it's going to download to our downloads folder. Once we get it downloaded, I'll open it up in PowerPoint and we'll take a look at it. So there we go. So we can open up this pitch deck in PowerPoint, which I haven't opened in a minute, so hopefully it opens quickly enough. But I'll just talk over this in the meantime. Start using PowerPoint. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to scale this up a little bit. Yeah, you can see now we've got all the different slides here, and we have text blocks and everything. So this worked really well to bring the Canva design that I had with multi-pages to PowerPoint. That's how you can save and download from Canva to PowerPoint.